In today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot access issues with websites using Cloudflare in Chrome. If you're having trouble reaching certain sites, clearing your browser data often resolves the problem. First, open Google Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then choose Clear Browsing Data. In the menu that appears, under the Basic tab, check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Set the time range to all time. To remove everything, then click Clear Data. Once done, restart your browser to ensure the changes take effect. This should resolve most access issues caused by outdated or conflicting data related to Cloudflare. If problems persist, it may indicate deeper connectivity issues, or you might need to reach out to the website support team. Regularly clearing cache and cookies not only fixes such issues, but also improves your browser's performance. Thanks for watching and happy browsing!